You're about to reach that milestone, but you just blow it away. You self sabotage every single time. You know why? Hi, welcome to day number 73 of 100 Days of Hope, Healing, and up till date 80. We are creating abundance mindset so that we become empowered version of us before we enter new year. This might be happening with you that despite working so hard for one important project or maybe an event or maybe some client, when it's about to happen, something goes wrong. You end up into argument with that important person, or you miss the timeline, or you get late for the meeting, or you end up just quitting, fearing the failure. And this is happening because you feel success is dangerous. Because maybe when you were young, when you succeeded, you were misunderstood, you were shown down, you were not treated well, you were shamed about, and that made you feel uneasy, that made you feel scared, and your nervous system feel that success is equal to danger. But let me tell you, you're not doing self sabotage because you fear the failure, but actually you are fearing the success. Because the moment success happen, you fear that rejection, you fear that pain, you fear that you will be disappointed, or maybe you get the evil eye. And that's why, because of the danger, you want to go back to the safe and known situation, which is struggle. And you reject the progress and you choose the struggle, and that's why you repeatedly self sabotage. But let me tell you, you're not fearing the failure, you're doing everything because you're fearing the success. Because success means you will take the space that you won't be able to hide, that you will be shown up, that you will be coming into the limelight, and that's something which makes you little uneasy, isn't it? So today check with yourself, what worse can happen if you actually succeed? So check with yourself, if you achieve that particular goal that is really important for you, for which you are self sabotaging, what worst can happen if you succeed? What can you lose? Is there anything that can become a problem for you through that success? And check with yourself. Place hand on your heart and connect with that part of you which is fearing this success. Talking to it and telling it, I'm so sorry that you're feeling unsafe. Please forgive me that you have to repeatedly struggle rather than choosing the progress. Thank you so much for always protecting me, trying to save me from the pain, from the rejection. I love you, and I promise you it's truly safe. It's okay to grow. It's a birthright to progress. It's comfortable to succeed, to become in limelight, and you deserve that all applaud. And then say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you for 108 times, accepting that growth and progress that you are really desperate for, that you really are deserving for, that you really are aspiring for. Because true happiness actually comes when you are achieving your goals, which are truly important for you. And let me tell you, self sabotage is nothing but a fear in disguise. It's your protection mode getting on when you feel there is a fear of showing up. But it's time to remove that mask and face it with the courage and strength, because you deserve that progress. With that positive affirmation that I deserve all the progress, let's close the day strong today. See you again tomorrow. Till then, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. God bless you.